Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to teach you how to change the volume control in your HME drive-through intercom base station. This is specifically about HME drive-through base 6100, 6200 and 6700. Before we proceed and explain how you change the volume control, we need to know how many different volume controls are in a HME base station. So we have one volume control which is our voice when we speak to the customer who is in the drive-through lane, like our voice saying, "Welcome to such and such burger. How can I help you?" That level of this voice. This is called outside speaker volume. The other volume control is when they talk to us and we hear through the ear pad. That's the second volume control. The third one is the kitchen speaker, the speaker that's on the ceiling of the kitchen, which the cooks will hear what people order and they will prepare that particular item before the actual receipt is printed. The fourth volume control is the volume control of the beep that you hear in the headset when a vehicle comes and is present in the drive-through lane. So we have 4 different volume controls, and that's what we are learning to adjust today. Okay, let's get started. In order to adjust the volume controls, the first thing we need to do is click on Menu. Once you click on Menu, the very same button becomes Volume Adjust. You click on Volume Adjust, and here are our 4 volume controls. In and Outbound volume control. You click on that, and then you have 3 volume controls subcategory. This is the inbound volume control. This is the amount of loudness you want the employees to hear when the customer is ordering. So let's say we want the employees to hear this voice at level 8. So that's where we adjusted at level 8. The customer greeter is the volume control that when customers drive into the drive-through lane and you greet them with saying, "Welcome to such and such burger," or "Welcome to McDonald's," and whatnot. This is the volume level of that greeter that they basically speak to to the customer. The outbound audio is the audio of the employee speaking to the customer. So if the employee says, "Welcome, how can I help you?" that the voice of that employee that says, "How can I help you?" is adjusted by this volume control. So if the employee says, "Could you repeat that order?" That sentence, "Could you repeat that order?" This is that, the outbound volume. And you choose the one you want to adjust. Like if I want to adjust this, I choose this one, and this is my up and down. If I want to adjust this, I choose this one, and this is my up and down. Same thing if I want to choose this, I highlight it with this, and then up and down. When you're done, you go back. When you go back, you have the remaining volumes. This is ceiling speaker. You click on that, and then the ceiling speaker, we have the tone of the ceiling speaker. We have the message. We have the A channel and the B channel. Now, A channel and B channel does not apply to you if you are operating a single lane drive-through. However, if you have a dual lane drive-through, this is just as important as any other of those, speakers. Volumes. So this is the inbound volume, which now if the inbound volume, let's say if this is at 6, the cook in the kitchen can hear very well. If you at 9, if you lower it, the cook will have a hard time. This usually needs to be in the middle, because if you make this too loud, what happens is the guests who are sitting inside and dining in your restaurant, they will be really annoyed with the loud speaker or noise of people going through the drive-through lane and ordering. So you have to kind of play with these and see which one is ideal for you. Again, the one you want to change, you highlight and you go up plus and minus, change, highlight, plus and minus, and all that. Let's go back, and now we have line in and out volume. Line in and out volume is usually not going to apply to you if you're not feeding this to an external amp or speaker. So the line in and out is basically, in most cases, you don't have to worry about this, because very few restaurants will use that to, the line in and out. Some people use this to record the entire order throughout the day. The owners usually use this to record the entire history of the order throughout the day. They use a digital recorder and use line in and out to record all the orders to see if there's any mistake or and all that. This is the vehicle tone. This is the vehicle tone that the employee will hear in their ear headset when a vehicle comes through a drive-through lane. So that if the employee is hard at hearing or cannot hear, then you need to increase this volume. Basically, that's what it is. And I hope this was simple enough for you to learn. And if you still have any questions, please comment and I will be sure to reply to that. And kindly subscribe to my channel and like if you will. Thank you.